Alright, it is the next day after doing some work on the rig. I don't know if you can see this, but this is a SATA power. Some of my rigs still had some SATA power. Well, first I'll show you this. Look at that. Plug is melted right off of there. So my rig crashed about an hour ago, and I came out here to see what was going on. And that was from these cables, SATA power to the USB riser, and it just melted right off there on the power supply. So I took that cable off of there and then got the, was it 6 to 8 pin VGA power splitters and replaced it with that. Just show you that real quick. Guys, right here, so it splits the power off, and I'm powering the riser with this instead. So hopefully I don't have any more issues with this rig and it can just sit there forever.